Johnny Timmons, MarineMax in Houston, Texas. Today we're on board our 2025 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage trade. Just freshly traded in. We're happy to offer this one on the used market. Makes it a little bit unique, twin 400s. This is one of the few boats that are powered with a Seakeeper gyro, zero-speed stabilization, all up underneath this console right here. Fresh services on everything. Boat does have bottom paint. It's got the tow bit option. We're right at 225 hours on the V10s. And like I said, we're gonna do a fresh service right before it delivers. There's your Seakeeper gyro right here. The twin 16-inch Axioms, which were an upgrade. This boat is the joystick powered boat right here. And again, twin V10 Mercury 400s in the back. I'm gonna work forward. Y'all follow me. This is one of Whaler's most popular models. We do have the wing curtain package for this boat, as well as you love the forward lounger here. I love this for look at all the storage that you have up underneath there. And then those poles right there, that's actually for the forward shade that connects up here. In the cockpit of the boat does have the sure shade option as well. Does have the dive door. It's got a small table that sits up here. Again, my name is Johnny Timmons at MarineMax in Houston, Texas. This is our 2025 330 Outrage trade.